So here we have Chip Jr.
Chip Jr.
And Chip.
That's Chip Jr. That's Chip. Notice how they look alike. That over there, that's Calvin. Next to Calvin, we got the big bunny, Hershey. Hershey. And squished underneath is little Tabitha. Oop, oop. Hershey. Tabitha. Right over there. They're just hanging out. And Chloe. Chloe was in the cage, weren't you, Chloe?
Here.
Yeah.
I'll put her in there again.
Yep. There's Chloe and all the guinea pigs and the rabbit in the cage.
Oh, and we also Turtle.
Don't know his name.
Turtle's his name.
His name's Turtle.
Or Franklin, you know.
Franklin the turtle. Chloe.
Oh, and the hamster.
We got a little hamster over there. This is our petting zoo.
Here, Chloe.
Come on, Chloe. Don't freak out. Uh-oh. She's stuck again.
Here, Chloe.
She didn't want it. Okay, here. Just give her some room. Just give her some room. There you go. Come on. Go.
There you
There.
go.
Are these your friends, Chloe? Whoa! Oh my god!
They're all twitching.
He's cleaning himself.
That's Chip.
Hershey. Calvin. Calvin really likes Hershey.
No.
Chip and Calvin.
Whoa.
Chip, Chip. Tabitha.
Chip's just freaking out.
Mmm. Coming out, Hershey?
Chloe, get out of the way.
Here, Hershey. Here.
Or Chip. Or anybody want to come out?
Chip is kind of exciting because he just learned this preset sometimes. Chip Jr. Tabitha. Chip Jr.
Here, Tabitha.
Here, Hershey. Oh. Oh. Just having a little freak out. Chloe. This bunny is actually crazy. Look at those feet go. Them's a fighting feet. Chip, 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 chip.
Hershey is not impressed.
Hershey.